This is a question on functions. It came up previously in CAT. It's pretty straightforward, and this basically explains why you should always put some values when you're solving functions rather than trying to solve it algebraically. Let's see what this says. Let g of x be a function such that g of x plus 1 equals g of x minus 1 plus g of x minus 1 equals g of x. If you rewrite this, you will get g of x plus 1 should be equal to g of x minus g of x minus 1, which means any value equals the difference of the previous two values in that order. Okay, or previous value minus previous to previous value, right? Then for what value of the function p is the relation x plus p equals gx? So you're trying to find the cyclicity of this function. P is the cycle, right? Let's check what this is. Let's take any value. Let's put g1 as a, g2 as b. So g3 would be b minus a, g4 would be b minus a minus b, which is minus a, g5 would be minus a minus this, which will be minus b, g6 would be equal to this minus this, which is a minus b. Now if you look at it, this is a reflection of this. This is negative of this, this is negative of this, this is negative of this. So g7 will be negative of this, which will be again a again. So you can clearly see that the cyclicity is 6. Let's try verifying it. This will be a minus b, which is b. G of 9 will be this minus this, which is b minus a. Again, the right cycle repeats. So after every 6 numbers, the cycle repeats. So the cyclicity is 6. Option D is your correct choice, right? That finishes this question. Again, as I discussed earlier, if you want to solve a question in functions, the easiest way out is just put some values. That's the fastest way to solve most of the functions questions.